I'm about to make my neon wolf for the first time. Been so long. Well, I've been waiting for a long time. I was doing everything this guy wanted. Now, it's time to make him. Wait, what? Oh, wow. Well, I guess I gotta do the thing over here, cause... Yeah. Dang it. I was hoping it would be such an epic thing that was gonna happen. I guess not. Ugh. Well, I'm gonna have to make it. Somehow. So, I'm doing over. Okay, I'm gonna go to the pool party. Cause, like, I wanna make this neon wolf. Oi, come on, alright, so I'm gonna make it finally. After I do this, it'll finally be complete. Just gonna walk here and it's gonna happen. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. No, go away. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 70, 80. Come on. 90. Brother, what do you want? I did it. Stop GPS. I finally did it. Now it's time to make the neon wolf that I've been waiting for so long. It's gonna be created. Oh my god. I'm actually super hyped. Not even lying. I've been working so hard on this so I can make this happen. Now it's finally gonna be done. Hop. The brave little scout. Then we have Susie, the very smart and very beautiful. And then we have Sawdust. He's strong and he likes to help out a lot. And then finally, last but definitely not least, Thing, the warrior, the one who chooses to do the right thing. The final creation is happening. Neon, your name is no longer Susie. Neon Thing. And that's not, oh god dang it, what? Ultra Thing. What? Why don't any of these work? I guess I just gotta go Thing. And that's not the final thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give him the potion. Drink it, and you'll become my rideable little wolf. I did it. I made my neon wolf. I'm so happy. Finally. thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, I'm so hyped.